Coach, that felt like a proper semi-final. Can you talk in terms of the ebbs and flows of the game? Where do you think that it turned for you?
Chances, when you reach this time in the tournament, you have to take a chance. Two good teams playing. When you get a chance, you have to just take it. I think we fell short tonight. Fell in the first half.
What do you feel that you needed? I guess which parts of the game you felt that you needed the most help on?
Scoring. Scoring, because, we're going to defend and then going to come and attack. It's a attack and war game. They're getting chance, we're getting chance. So we've taken our chances. Maybe it could have been a different game.
In terms of your number 7, he was looking very, very lively on the flanks. Can you talk more about in terms of his performance? Because it felt that as he was going, that he was kind of helping to move the attack along in the final third.
I think the whole team could have played better. Not an individual. The whole team could have and should have played better to get the victory.
This is one of the most intense games we've seen so far this season, Coach. Speak to us about that, about the intensity that we saw of these two teams today.
You're going to see that, Mount Pleasant, you're going to see that they have a lot of experienced players. Whole lot of experience. You're going to see that. I have a team that youngsters willing to fight, experience, and players who are going to gradually be experienced players, senior player, But see, when you're going to play from the heart, one of the greatest thing, I think my team is playing from the heart. They really want this cup this year, and we're going to go all out come Sunday,
Tell me, any major changes in strategy come Sunday, the do-or-die game?
Why would you change something now? At this point, if you can, you wouldn't change nothing now. You have to build on the positives and go forward,
And finally, Coach, how much of that team building exercise, that kind of trip that you guys did to the Falls, allowed you to refresh, regroup, and try to come together as a team?
Well, we're going to keep them close now, for the next couple of days. Keep them close. Recovery tomorrow. Make a slight training Wednesday. Get them in camp maybe by Friday. Get them off their foot, away from home. Let them miss them girlfriend and them wife and them picnic when they get hungry for this last semi-final,
You're going up against your old boss. What to hit them hard come Sunday?
My old boss. I'm playing against Mount Pleasant. I'm going against Mount Pleasant. So it's not the boss or nothing. It's about playing against Mount Pleasant. I'm trying to get the job done. So there's no grudge between me and the boss. As you see now, we're friends. This is football,
No problem. Thanks.
And again, crime and violence must stop.
Big up.